we have the Pakistani Minister, Mr. Ahsan Iqbal. Now, I'm not at all surprised to see Mr. Ahsan Iqbal speaking on that side, attacking liberal democracy. After all, Mr. Iqbal's party launched the greatest attack on liberal democracy in Pakistani history by working with the military to rig elections and form a government despite having only won 17 out of 272 seats fairly.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
In February 2024, military establishment in Pakistan sought to eliminate Imran Khan's party from politics. Using lawfare to deprive the party of its election symbol relied on by voters who cannot read. Despite this, the party was on track to secure a 2/3 majority, according to exit polls. Following which blatant poll rigging, as evidenced by images of tampered vote count forms, transformed the incumbent government's 17 seats into 75. But since his ouster from office in 2022, Imran Khan has faced over 200 frivolous cases, ranging from terrorism, murder, and the legitimacy of his own marriage. Over the last year, both the United Nations and Amnesty International have called for Imran Khan's release, citing the sham cases leveled against him, the complete absence of due process with a lack of a fair trial, and inhumane prison conditions.